This morning I'm making crispy fried chicken with cheesy cream and garlic potato bake. First step for this, buttermilk. I've never bought my own buttermilk, I always just make my own. If you want to make your own too, the ratio is a cup of milk and then a tablespoon of either white vinegar or lemon juice. And you've got ready-made buttermilk. Also going to add in a couple of drops of hot sauce. Don't need to add the sauce if you don't like. A little bit of salt and pepper too. Into this I'm going to add my chicken pieces. Clean hands, no jewellery for me while I'm cooking. I'm just going to leave this to soak. This is my little trick. I use a clean shower cap to cover the bowl. You'll leave this ideally for an hour at least. You can do it overnight. Next we're going to make the coating. In this bowl I've got 3 cups of flour. I'm going to add in half a cup of corn flour and our special ingredient, the Maggi Mexican Nacho Mix. A cast iron skillet or frying pan is good. I'm going to add some oil. We're only shallow frying, so you want the oil to be about 2 centimeters deep. I'm going to get my pieces of Waitoa chicken, just shake off the excess buttermilk, and we're going to coat it in the crumb coating. Give it a thorough coating. My oil is nice and hot, so I'm going to carefully put these in one at a time. If you're a little bit hesitant about cooking chicken and just wondering if you're going to know when it's cooked, you can always cook it for 5 minutes in the pan like this and then take it out and put it in the oven for maybe half an hour, just so you know it's really cooked through. When I cook it, I do like to just stick a knife in, just to have a quick look, check the middle. I've got a packet of Maggi cheese and garlic potato bake. I do like these packets when it gets to about, I don't know, 4 o'clock and you're thinking, what's for dinner? Having things like this in your cupboard makes it easier. I'll just make this up basically as per the instructions. So into some milk, give that a quick mix. And then I've got 4 sliced potatoes. Let's mix together. Just pour this straight over the potatoes. And I'll sprinkle some grated cheese on top. And I'll bake that in the oven till it turns all bubbly and golden. Here is my finished crispy fried chicken, ready to serve up with a creamy cheese and garlic potato bake. The crispy chicken is looking crunchy and golden and delicious.